Okay, I'm just checking in the audio because I messed up. I spent like 25 minutes not realizing the headphones audio was a little down. So I'm just here to check if everything is fine now. Which I think desktop. Okay, the text. Okay, so now I have increased the desktop. Okay, hello. I'll try to say something just to see if. Okay, audios I think is still low. Is it now great? I think it's better now. Maybe I'll just check. I think this is fine. This is not much. This is not less. I'm still not that great at audio, so pardon me, I guess. Oh man, this is. Okay. This is definitely waste of time. I'll just paste timestamp where I'm actually starting, which I should have done like an hour ago, but there we are. I think this is fine now. I'm saying something and I think I can see in the desktop audio is also not that bad. Okay, I think it's fine now. So the video is, which I have even not started my terminal yet, is basically, oh wow, that long gap. Okay, WSL is definitely starting. I had to reboot this computer like 3 times. That's fine. Okay, so I have a website. I don't know if many people know. Let me just close this. Oh, should I probably not close? Okay, I did close the correct thing. Let's just get the I also need to, I guess, fix it for mobile, but that's another thing. But yeah, this is my website. There's a blog, there's a work, there's my resume. You can download a PDF version, everything, right? And you can even follow me on social media from here. It's a great website. It's just a simple website. I really like the aesthetic. It's straight copied from Berkeley Graphics. I just love this website. So what I want to do, I want to add a guest book. If you don't know what a guest book is, basically whenever you go somewhere, you can just write down your signature and your name just to see that you came in here, right? That kind of guest book. And I just want to make something similar to this in this website, where anyone who is visiting this website right now, I don't really know. And if I have to show you, which let me just check if I don't accidentally disclose something that I should have not done. That's fine. Right now, my website obviously isn't like the most popular website in the world or something like that, but I do get few visitors here and there, and I always wonder who these people are, right? Someone coming from Instagram or Twitter because I'm tweeting or saying some dumb shit somewhere, some place, right? And that's really great, right? I just see, and I always see, sometimes I would just see a spike because a tweet, not this spike, like 20 people coming in because I tweeted something and 30,000 people saw this thing, right? So at least 20 would come down and see something. So I'll just wonder who are these people. And I mean, it's not like something a clear concrete thing, but if someone saw a guest book and if they decide they want to leave their mark right on the website, I definitely have to think about it, how I can go about it, because how would people know, okay, this is the guest book, I should probably leave my mark. I don't know even people know if a guest book kind of thing exists or not, right? So definitely have to think about that also. But yeah, that's the whole concept. I will just add a guest book where you can just come in, sign your name, maybe drop your Twitter so I can follow you all. Yeah, that's pretty much it. And I think we can get started on this one. This is the website kubre.in, right? Now let me do one thing, which is close this one, close that one, go to the folder, right? So we have the folder, and let me open up the NeoVim. Now I do remember NeoVim does not have that great of a support for Astro, so the source code. Oh, it's not okay. The Astro client died. It's not a problem. I can live without the LSP client. I have been getting habit of that, at least for a while. Now, yeah. So this is my website. What I can do again. Wow, I'm not in the same directory. I think it's. Oh my god, do I always forget this? Okay, it's npm run dev, npm run dev. Nothing is installed. Oh, okay. fnm use 20. Node versions. You always need a different one for a different project. That's fine. Okay, so this is the local version, obviously, right? And I'll probably add a I'm wondering, should I add like a little button up here, or maybe up here? I guess I could add it up here, right? This might get a little cloud, or maybe I could add something here. I'm not sure where would I add it, but I will definitely add it somewhere, right? Let me just quickly check if every audio and everything is like fine on my phone. I'm just watching it through a stream. Okay, I definitely need to speak more clearly, because otherwise I don't think my words are that comprehensible otherwise. So now before I do that, I do need to do something, which is I made a blog post, why make a game as web dev, and I'm pretty sure in this post I mentioned why I like love game dev, right? I don't really do that much. I don't even play games that much now. I do want to do it a little bit more. I do want to make some games, that kind of stuff. I just don't get the time, and sometimes I will just like do some other stuff. But one of the inspiration that I had was when I was a kid, I really didn't know like video games. We didn't really have them. But I think when I was like 6, 7, I don't really exactly remember. We had this like Samsung CRT TV, right? So I think this could be a short also. So let me just, I think, record it as a short. So my initial from beginning. Okay. So my own no, not like this. Okay, I'll record this. I want to also record this one as a short, so I'll just do it here. So the reason I started programming, because I loved video games. That could be the experience of so many people. And the reason I liked video games is because when I was a kid, I don't exactly remember, maybe 5 or 6-year-old, we had this large Samsung CRT TV, and on the remote of it, it had a button called games, and I clicked it and I accidentally saw a really embedded game, a little bit of like a balloon game in that one. It was not a fancy game at all. It was like few colored shapes, and that's pretty much it. But there where I actually started loving the interactive I guess media, rather than something like, let's say, watching a movie, watching something else on the TV, right? And from that point on and on, I just fell in love with this kind of thing. And down the line, that's how I actually got into programming, because the way you make games, you code them, right? That's pretty much it. So that's my reason. And yep, I even mentioned this in this blog post here. That's pretty much it. Okay, so the short out of the way. I mentioned this CRT TV, Samsung TV. I forgot which one was it, right? And I was not able to find it until recently. I found it. Let's just do Samsung V2. Yes, this one. This is that TV. Definitely not the. Yes, this is the TV. And as you can see, you definitely know this thing does not have any games that are any more graphically capable. So like something that was, I guess, made in 1980. But yeah, there are user manuals over here. I looked for a good amount of stuff. I did not find a screenshot of that game I was talking about. I don't think it exists, I guess. Nobody thought of nobody even thought of recording it. But if sometime I find this TV, I'll probably do that. I'll actually look into the game and maybe take some shots and add it. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So I think I'll do one thing, which is I would link this TV, or at least this manual, to this place. It's kind of dumb thing, but I guess cool thing to do. Let's just search for Samsung. There we go. We have, and I guess I could even add a little title here, which just says found the TV model, but not found the game. Just little things. Adds those details. Let's do one thing, which is also add this to the yank around tag and we would add this here also, I guess. Just that level of detail somewhere, right? There we go, right? Oh, it opens directly here. Oh, okay, don't want to do that. Definitely. Was it target, I guess, right? It says blank. I want to add it before. Oh, okay, that is great, I guess. Oh, I accidentally stopped the music. Not the great. Oh, not the greatest experience. Let's go. Oh. Oh, it's so stupid. Okay. And now this opens up as a new team. That's fine. That's what we wanted to do. Get out dash p guestbook. Get dash p. Let's just have it here. It's not a problem. Added the. Oh, I can't type. Okay. Found the Samsung TV model. Okay, it's great now. So let us do one thing, which is okay. Let's make that page, right? Let's just make a page called Guestbook, I guess. Right? Let's just guest dot astro. Fun things. And I think Okay, let me check. It's been a while that. Okay, I'm so stupid. It's been a while since I've even touched Astro, so no, this confuses me a little bit here and there. That's fine. Okay, save the. No, no. Right, so I think that is it. Import layout from component. Oh, components. What is it? Oh, layouts. Okay. Let's just see if it's actually working. And there we go. We have the layout and it does say guestbook, I guess. Let's add an H1. Okay, because there is a mic in between me, I can't really type, I guess. Let's just say guest. Should I add or is it a word? I guess it might be. Okay, probably a word. Okay, that does not do anything, I know. Class text Excel. Text to Excel. That's nice. Okay. If I had a mean that, okay, won't be the one. There is like no, literally no padding. py8. There we go. Now, you know what? Let's just now, because I mean, the way I'm thinking, I will just add a canvas, right? And I can manipulate that canvas to get what I want. Just for style, let's just add it as a simple CSS. Width 100%, I guess. And height 300 pixel. Okay, I'm not sure how this will work out on the phone, but we'll just see. Background, does something comes up? Okay, the background does come up. Okay. Why I am adding everything like this? Now I don't really need to add it like this. I can just add it using the tailwind, but I'm just like doing it this way. Let's just do 5 pixel. That looks nice. What is this weird? Okay, that's not a problem. Okay. So now this is where you actually type your JavaScript, but that runs when you compile, I guess, right? So if you actually want to type something and have it do stuff, right? I think you just make like a script tag. I think you just make like a script tag. I might be wrong in Astro runtime script. I think you just make a script. I think that's pretty much it. Yes, we have to look. Astro Island, Astro Prefetch. We have to do like a client load. Okay, I'm not sure. What I would do, I would just start scripting. Let's just do it. I'll just see what happens, right? So let's get the canvas first, which is document or get element by ID. I'm pretty sure that's how you do it. And what is the ID here? It's just canvas, okay. And I think what then you have to do is get like a 2D context. CTX equals to canvas dot get context to the context MD and canvas. Okay, get context, and then 2D is not like this, it is like this. No, CTX fill style, fill rect. Now I can definitely use some kind of library. I just don't want to do that. I want to do this like this, like caveman, right? Like they did it. Let's do CSS color pink. This is easier to see. CTX dot fill rect, and this probably is like 10. Okay, I think that's probably like this coordinate and then like how much height and width it is. So I mean, we can do the same thing, which is like 10, 10, 100, 150, right? And let's just see. Nothing appears, and I don't sure why nothing appears, because S is capital. Yay, because S is definitely capital. That is not 150 definitely. I'm not sure. Is it? It's not 150 because okay, what? My height is 300 pixel, right? If this is 150, then what? I mean, it does say it's like 300, but then this is not 100. There's no way this is 100. I'm not sure why it says it's 100. Do I have to set it in different manner or? Canvas height and width. We run into problems the moment we start. Okay, you set it like that. Separate from that in canvas, CSS style and width. Okay, let's do that actually. How can I? But let's not worry about it that much. Just do like 500 and then height equals to again 300. And for now, let's just get rid of this out. Let's just get rid of this actually. Oh, not that, like so let's do it like this. Delete in tag. Now that looks more believable. Okay. I mean, I can try to. Okay. What do we have here? I want to guess the size of body, I guess. Okay. No, let's just try to set it. Okay. Canvas dot width. Was it width? Okay, it is width. Which is, I'm not sure. Is it body just? Okay. I think document.body is the thing. I don't think it has a width. Okay. It has some kind of property. I forgot actually. I cannot find. Oh, client width. Okay, client width. Document.body.client width. Is it like that? And you know what? Let's just do this, which is so this is width. So let's just do it like this. Okay, and there we go. We have a full. You know, that's nice. That's nice. You know, let's do like a little constant up here, which is const, which is you know, width. Oh, don't do that. Doc width. And there we go. We have this. Now, what do we need to do? If I have described, you know, now I just want basically this, which is paint. Wow, what is this actually? Okay. Oh man, paint is improving every single day. They're adding so much stuff, I guess. So I basically want the same thing, which is like a black background, right? And on that black background, I want you to have I mean, I can probably just take a white, right? And you can just come in and you can just oh man, okay, sorry, that's so stupid. Okay, where is the pen? Yeah, right. You just come in and you can just like sign this, right? You can just like make a little sign, or maybe say your name, right? Just do this, right? Right, and I will store this and okay, and I'll definitely need a list, right? So basically like that, right? Just a little like a drawing. Maybe I will do a little bit of like a pixelated kind of thing, right? So that just makes it a little bit more different. And to do that, let's define, I guess, our goals. And our goals are, you know, okay, let me go to the guestbook again, and I'll just add some goals up here, which is not the way JavaScript adds comments. Okay, do not add anything. JavaScript, please stop, do not add anything. Okay. So my first goal is to get simple paint, I guess. That's probably how I guess I want to start, at least. And then I want to what I want to do, right? So we need like a little bit of painting kind of thing. Then I want to then I also want to, you know, serialize that, right? serialize that painting, because how else we are going to store it, right? I'm not going to store it as an image. What I have plans is I would basically serialize it, store it in, let's say, some kind of KV store, and once in a while I'll just regenerate this page, maybe a day or half a day, right? And that's how you just see a little bit of newer drawings. And I guess that's how I can make this thing happen. Let me just, why is this here? Okay, serialize the painting. I'm calling it painting, right? Because it says a little paint. Okay, serialize the drawing. And once I serialize the drawing, what I want to do, maybe store it in a KV store. Store it in a KV store. I am not going to bother much. I'll probably use just something from Vercel. It's probably I will probably just fit in the pre-tier until I guess I just fuck up and everything just blows up. Like and I will have to post everything on Twitter. Just say, okay, guys, look at this. Vercel overcharged me. I was just a dumbass who did not thought to set up the billing, right? Which I have not actually. I'll actually have to look this after I'm done with the stream. Store it in KV store. Do the the incremental do the incremental generation, I guess, of the same page with list. Simple paint, and I would also add list, add I'll have to do this after, I guess, which is save it in memory, render a list. So I guess those are our goals. I mean, those are at least my goals. Let's just start with a simple paint, right? So we have one method, and I mean, so how paint works, I believe you just start drawing, I guess, prompts, wow, this says deep dive. It's a book. I don't want to do a book, maybe I'll just see how to draw a point, that's enough for me. Oh man, there is a book. I'll probably read it, maybe. Who knows? If I ever want to interact with Canvas more. It says focuses on 2D graphics, which is Canvas element, draws hardware expected. Use this Canvas, oh man, it has so much stuff, right? Does not, I do not care. Okay, Canvas, draw a point, because that's what we want, right? Fine, Stack Overflow, just show me how to draw a point. But there's no point method. You just have to Damn. Okay, is there not just a pixel? Yeah, okay. Hmm. Man, everything in JavaScript and web is a struggle. Like they have not figured out how to draw like a point. I'm not sure. Maybe there's a good reason. Okay, I'm just stop. Okay, I'm just saying stuff. You know. So we that was the entirety of the method that we ever needed. Okay. Hmm. Uh. Hmm. Oh. Okay. Don't do that. Don't do that. Okay. Just say white. 1 and 1. You know. Just see. That's quite small pixel, you know. Now what if we just think in terms of like a grid, right? There we go. That's what I love it, right? You know what? Let's just do one thing, which is let's just start defining some methods, you know. Function draw pixel, you know. It just takes x and y and would give you a I'm not thinking. Let's just see. Okay. You know, I do need few constant which are, you know, pixel size, pixel. And if you're wondering why I'm doing that, because I just don't want to draw a pixel that's like that, just a dot. I want to like I want to have like a pixelated kind of like a signature look. I guess I will do that. I'll just see if we can do this at this moment, you know. So let's just make it 5 rather than like I guess making it 10. Maybe we will do it again 5, right? So I just want to do pixel size. Okay, again pixel size, that's fine. Oh no, not like that. No, not like that again. Can you not do that? I cannot type today, and if you cannot type, that means in the vim you also mess up. Where are you? That's fine for me. Let's just do draw pixel. I'm so dumb today. Draw pixel, you know, xy. Let's just say 10 10, you know. And no, let's align another pixel which, like, you know, if that's 10 10 10 5 10 25, you know, 15, I guess. Now that goes like this, I guess. And now I want to do 1 with the offset of that pixel, which is, if this is x, that is y. I'm kind of dumb, but I believe I would have to just, okay, I will have to definitely move this. Then I will have to, let's say, add, oh my god, what, like 10? No, let's just do that, I guess. Then this would go, you know, I was somewhere, you know. There we go. That's a little V. That's such a cute shape. I think that pixel size is actually okay. You know, it's not that bad. Just give me a moment, you know. Okay, so I'll be only streaming for like next 10 minutes. You know, this is fine. This is the progress I guess we have decided to land on today. You know, definitely if I was able to actually, let's say, you know, not fuck up the mic settings. I just like lowered the knob down, like volume down, and that wasted like 25 minutes, right? I would have streamed a bit more, I guess. But yeah, now what I wanted to do actually is, you know, let's just get rid of this, which is what you want to do. Document dot, if you don't know, add event listener. That's the spelling. I'm pretty sure that's the spelling. And there's this listener called mouse move. I'm pretty sure that's one. You know what? Why I'm trying to do that there? Why won't I do it here? Document dot, you know, add event listener. What is the listener? Which is mouse move. You know, that gets you something. You know, console dot log. Just log the not that. Just log the x. X is not defined because there is no x. There is e. So dumb. Oh, okay. Whoa, wait, kiddo. Client X, client Y. That's what we want. That's not exactly what we want. Okay, that's not actually what we want. And I think the way to get around this is, rather than attaching it to document, we would attach it to document dot get element by ID and canvas. So that's one. That's fine. Okay. Oh wow. Let me refresh this page. Oh, fine. We no longer trigger this. So nothing up here, but the moment we, okay, yeah, that's how you do it. Oh, but it's still. Okay, that's still not. No, that's still the. That's like the page position. I don't want the page position. You know, that's like, yeah, that's like a screen position, right? Why there is two actually? Screen, next screen, why? Huh. Like, how would, I mean, I can do a little bit of math, but you know, we live in the times of Google, so I would just do get mouse position on canvas, you know. Okay, damn, that's okay, that's we I guess we would have to do the math. There's no other way. Offset x, offset y, e dot offset x. Wait, you just need to add on mouse move event to listener. Okay, that's, yeah. Specific browser, there are differences between FX Opera, something like this should work if offset x, else if layer x. Okay, what is offset x? I don't really know actually. I mean, we do have layer x. And just say 0, it does not see anything. Oh, wait, there is a layer and there is offset. Wait, so no, wait, that's offset x. What is this guy talking about? you know, I can see what I can see what is he talking about, you know. But let's just do this, which is, you know, let's just copy this guy's method. Let me do this one thing, which is console.log x. So nothing happens here. Let's just go at the top. But why does it say 700? We don't have 700. That's for sure. Because my height is at max 300. Wait, that's... Yeah, that's pretty much it. That's my height. Or is this something else? I'm not exactly sure. Okay. I'm even more confused now. You know. Now let's not do the, I guess, the pixel thing, which is defining like a pixel or something like that at the moment. Or we would just do it, I guess, something like 1, so it won't change something, right? And let's just do, I guess, what this guy is trying to say, which is he sees its layer for some reason. You know, you have either offset or layer. I mean, in my case, I guess it's offset. That's fine. We will try it out, which is what I want to do. I want to do a draw pixel, you know, at e dot layer x and e dot layer y. Is that what we want to do? Okay, I mean, we are somewhere. That's not... So definitely not that. Now let's just see the first guy's method, which is, I guess, get bounding rect, you know, canvas dot construct. I don't need to update it again, I guess, at least, you know. So that x and that client x, client y, rect dot left, rect dot top. Okay, rect dot left, which is, yep, minus, you know. Now this has to be client x and this has to be client y, rect dot top. Let's just see this method, and this actually works better. Not that great, you know. It's still doing like this. I don't know why. You know, let's just increase the pixel size for a moment. Now it looks a little better, but yeah, we do miss some events. I'm pretty sure this has to do with something with JavaScript. No, that's fine. And definitely, I guess I want to do this, which is like divided by pixel size first of all. No. And I hope it does the you know, the end to like conversion it by itself. I don't have to do it. And also then multiply this by pixel size. So that way I'm not, I guess, drawing. But I'm still really drawing on top of everything. As I'm not doing much. Yeah, but we are at least at some point, right? I would do something else later on. But yeah, I just wasted too much of my time. You know, it's quite precious time just setting up the mic, and that messed a little bit up. But I'll try to do more tomorrow. I'll actually try to get something done here rather than me having to struggle this much. I'll actually have to read about how to do this kind of stuff on Canvas, actually. Now I can just go, I mean, I can try to do it Google Live, but I think that will take too much of our time. And I don't want to do that. Yeah. But that's pretty much it. Bye for today. I'll probably keep streaming soon. I will also explain why I was not there for maybe a month. I did explain that on Instagram, so if you are there, you maybe saw that. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Bye for now. I'll be ending this stream. I'll probably stream tomorrow, maybe next week also, if I get any free time.